stretch marks, they run through my body. Don't like what you see, but I don't give a block the thoughts I used to have that I'm not worthy. Someday messy hair, but I don't really care. You know it's really not a competition. I'm one and only limited edition. So who are you to judge? 'Cause I know I am a catch. Who are you to judge? I think you think too much. Try to be somebody I am really not. Why the pretty and I'm not? Why am I not? One day I've realized things that I've got. That is when I learned to love myself a lot. So if you're gonna ask what is on my face, answer is just beauty, 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 beauty. So if you're gonna ask what is on my face, answer is just beauty, 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 beauty. I don't have the time to think all the things you say. Darling, you know what? I'm expensive every day. I can be different, I can be small. I can be big, I can be tall. You know it's really not a competition. I'm one and only limited edition. So who are you to judge? 'Cause I know I am a catch. Who are you to judge? I think you think too much. Try to be somebody I am really not. Why the pretty and I'm not? Why am I not? One day I've realized things that I've got. That is when I learned to love myself a lot. So if you're gonna ask what is on my face, answer is just beauty, 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 beauty. So if you're gonna ask what is on my face, answer is just beauty, 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 beauty. Answer is just beauty, 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 beauty. Answer is just beauty, 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 beauty.
Is this a game? Is this a game? Always try looking perfect, always try to look good, but is beauty's too painful? I don't know if I should. Everything's so expensive, all the girls are so mean. All this pressure to deal with, and I am just a teen. My friends don't really get me since they have everything. Sometimes I'm trying to fake it 'cause I wanna fit in. I have to pay my bills, cut my hair to be sweet, acting like someone else, always feeling complete. Is this a game? I have to play. Why should I care? can feel you getting closer. The night is fading slowly and I'm waiting for you. Like you're leaving on the doorstep. This heart's already torn, but I'm waiting for you. And I will lose when it's over, and I won't get when it's over. I won't be looking for you. And I'll be done when it's over, but I won't care about love, yeah. I won't be looking for you. For you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. I won't be looking for you. Won't be looking for. You know how to hurt better than I do, but I've developed feelings for me rather than for you. For you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. I'm looking for you. What am I looking for? This feeling's for you. 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 I won't be looking for. Swimming in gold.
cheek. I don't know what to do now. Can't look at my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics on the walls. I thought that I'd want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally